The V-2 rocket was a liquid-propellant ballistic missile that was developed in the Third Reich. Its full name was Vergeltungswaffe 2, or Retaliatory Weapon 2. The Germans completed their first ethanol and liquid oxygen-fueled rocket in 1932, which was called the A-1. It was successfully test-fired in the presence of Adolf Hitler, which ensured further funding for development. The first launch of the A-4, which was later named V-2, took place in 1942. Only the third launch was truly successful. The rocket reached an altitude of 80 kilometers and a range of 193 kilometers. During one of the test flights, the rocket reached an altitude of 189 kilometers and thus became the first man-made object to reach outer space. The missile was about 14 meters high, with a wingspan of 3.5 meters. It was powered by a liquid fuel rocket engine. The fuel tanks contained 3,800 kilograms of fuel, a mixture of ethanol and water, and 4,900 kilograms of oxidizing agent, liquid oxygen. The fuel and oxidizer pumps were steam turbines, and the steam was produced by hydrogen peroxide. The 250 kilonewton thrust engine could accelerate the rocket to more than 5,000 kilometers per hour. Initially, the guidance system on the V-2 consisted of gyroscopes, and since these were quite primitive, the rockets were very inaccurate. Nazi propaganda talked up the V-2 as a Wunderwaffe, or wonder weapon. The 13-ton rocket could carry a nearly 1-ton warhead a distance of up to 300 kilometers. The rocket was first deployed in September 1944. Over the next few months, the number of V-2s launched was at least 3,172, mostly aimed at London and Antwerp. The rocket became a symbol for the Nazi bombing of London, mainly because of the large number of civilian victims. After the war, V-2 missiles and parts and their designers, including Werner von Braun, were taken to the U.S. The V-2 missiles are considered the predecessors of later American military rockets and civilian launch vehicles.